In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change sheet view in Smartsheet. Being able to switch views in Smartsheet is a simple but powerful way to look at your work from different angles. Maybe you prefer a traditional spreadsheet style layout, or maybe you're more comfortable managing tasks visually on a board or a calendar. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to change the sheet view, and I'll also explain what's happening so you understand what each choice means. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in your browser and that you're inside the specific sheet you want to work with. At the top of your sheet, near the upper left area of the window, look for the current view label. In many cases, this will appear as something like default view, or it may show the name of the current view you're in, such as grid view. This label acts as a menu button. Go ahead and click on that default view label at the top. When you click it, Smartsheet will open a small drop-down menu. This menu contains the different ways you can display the same sheet. The data in your sheet doesn't change when you do this. You're only changing how it's presented on your screen. In the drop-down, you'll see the available views for that sheet. Common options include grid view, which looks like a standard spreadsheet, Gantt view, which is great for timelines and dependencies, card view, which organizes tasks into columns like a board, and calendar view, which shows items based on their dates. Depending on how your sheet is set up, you might see all or only some of these options. Now, select the view you want to switch to by clicking on it. For example, if you're managing a project schedule and want to see timelines, click Gantt view. If you're tracking tasks and prefer a board style layout, click card view instead. As soon as you click, Smartsheet will update the sheet on your screen to reflect that new view. After it changes, take a moment to scroll around and familiarize yourself with how your data now appears. Remember, you can repeat this process anytime by going back to the view label at the top and choosing a different option. This flexibility lets you pick the view that best matches what you're trying to accomplish at that moment, and that's all you need to do to change sheet view in Smartsheet.